Wealth is not a distant dream. It's a reality waiting to be unlocked. The path to abundance isn't hidden behind complex strategies or exclusive secrets. It's a simple, yet powerful truth that resides within you. Forget everything you think you know about money. This isn't about luck, privilege, or even tireless effort. It's about understanding the profound connection between your thoughts, your beliefs, and your financial reality. It's about tapping into your unlimited potential and creating the life you truly desire. At the heart of abundance lies a fundamental truth, a master key that unlocks the door to wealth. It's the profound understanding that our thoughts and beliefs are not mere fleeting notions, but powerful architects of our reality. In particular, our thoughts and beliefs about money hold an extraordinary influence over our financial lives. Every thought we have, every belief we hold, sends a signal to the universe. These signals, like magnets, attract experiences and circumstances that match their vibration. If our thoughts are filled with lack, scarcity, and limitation, we unknowingly invite those very experiences into our lives. But if we choose to focus on abundance, prosperity, and limitless possibility, we open ourselves up to a world of wealth and opportunity. This isn't just wishful thinking or positive psychology. It's a fundamental law of the universe, as real and unyielding as gravity. And just like gravity, it operates whether we're aware of it or not. But when we become conscious of this law, when we understand how our thoughts and beliefs shape our financial destiny, we gain the power to change our lives. This video will serve as your guide, revealing the key principles and practical steps you can take to harness the power of your mind and unlock your wealth potential. We'll explore the science behind the subconscious mind, uncovering how it shapes our financial habits and beliefs. We'll look into the law of attraction, understanding how to align our thoughts, feelings, and actions with our financial goals. We'll also uncover the importance of gratitude and visualization in attracting wealth. We'll learn how to cultivate a mindset of abundance, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. And we'll discuss the importance of taking inspired action, of moving towards our goals with purpose and determination. This journey is about more than just money. It's about self-discovery, empowerment, and creating a life of true fulfillment. It's about realizing that you are worthy of wealth, that you have the power to create the financial reality you desire. This is your invitation to step into a new paradigm, to rewrite your money story, and to unlock the limitless abundance that awaits you. Are you ready to begin? Beneath the surface of our conscious awareness lies a vast and powerful realm known as the subconscious mind. This hidden reservoir of thoughts, beliefs, and memories operates silently, yet it exerts a profound influence on our lives, including our financial well-being. Your subconscious mind is like a computer program, running in the background and shaping your perceptions, decisions, and actions. It's been programmed throughout your life by your experiences, your environment, and the messages you've received about money. If those messages were filled with negativity, scarcity, or limiting beliefs, your subconscious mind may be sabotaging your financial success without you even realizing it. But here's the good news. You have the power to rewrite that program. You can rewire your subconscious mind to support your financial goals. By identifying and releasing negative beliefs about money and replacing them with positive affirmations, you can create a new internal landscape that attracts wealth and abundance. Think of your subconscious mind as fertile soil. If you plant seeds of lack and limitation, that's what will grow. But if you plant seeds of abundance and prosperity, you'll cultivate a rich harvest of financial success. Just think of a universe where your thoughts, feelings, and actions are like powerful magnets, attracting experiences that match their vibration. This is the essence of the law of attraction. a fundamental principle that governs the flow of energy in our lives. When it comes to wealth creation, the law of attraction plays a pivotal role. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs about money act as powerful signals, broadcasting your desires to the universe. If your signals are clear, consistent, and aligned with abundance, the universe responds in kind, bringing you opportunities, resources, and experiences that support your financial goals. But if your signals are muddled with doubt, fear, or negativity, you inadvertently block the flow of abundance. The law of attraction doesn't discriminate between positive and negative thoughts. It simply responds to the dominant vibration you emit. To harness the power of the law of attraction for wealth creation, it's essential to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desired financial reality. This means cultivating a mindset of abundance, visualizing your financial goals with clarity and conviction, and taking inspired action that moves you closer to your dreams. As you do this, you'll notice a shift in your external world. Opportunities will arise, doors will open, and resources will flow to you effortlessly. You'll become a magnet for wealth, attracting abundance in all its forms. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a powerful energy that opens the door to abundance. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you shift your focus from lack to abundance, sending a message to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Visualization is the act of creating a mental picture of your desired reality. When you visualize yourself already living in abundance, you create a powerful energetic blueprint that attracts those experiences into your life. Together, gratitude and visualization form a dynamic duo that can accelerate your wealth attraction efforts. Start by making gratitude a daily practice. Each morning, take a few moments to reflect on the things you're grateful for. It could be your health, your loved ones, your home, or even the simple pleasures of life. As you express gratitude, feel the warmth of appreciation in your heart. This positive emotion amplifies your energy and sends a powerful signal to the universe. Visualization is equally important. Set aside time each day to visualize your financial goals. See yourself living the life you desire, surrounded by abundance. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if it's already happening. The more vivid and emotional your visualizations, the stronger the energetic blueprint you create. Love what you're seeing? Feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's free and ensures you won't miss out on future videos. While a positive mindset is essential for attracting wealth, it's equally important to take inspired action. Your thoughts and beliefs create the foundation, but action is what brings your dreams to life. Inspired action comes from a place of clarity and purpose. It's not about blindly chasing after money, but about moving towards your goals with intention and passion. Start by setting clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve? How much money do you want to earn? What kind of lifestyle do you envision? Once you have a clear vision, create a plan of action. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and identify the specific actions you need to take. Then, take consistent action towards your goals. It doesn't matter how small the steps are, as long as you're moving forward. Keep in mind that every action you take, no matter how insignificant it may seem, is a vote for the financial future you desire. As you take action, trust your intuition. Listen to your inner guidance and follow the path that feels most aligned with your purpose. The universe will support you every step of the way. The path to wealth is rarely a straight line. There will be detours, roadblocks, and unexpected challenges along the way. You may face financial setbacks, encounter naysayers who doubt your dreams, or even experience moments of self-doubt. But these obstacles are not meant to deter you. They are opportunities for growth, resilience, and learning. When you encounter challenges, don't let them discourage you. Instead, view them as stepping stones on your path to success. Recall that your mindset is your most powerful asset. When faced with difficulties, choose to focus on solutions, not problems. Look for opportunities within the challenges and trust that the universe is always working in your favor. Maintain a positive outlook even when things get tough. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your dreams. And never give up on your vision of financial abundance. Countless individuals have transformed their financial lives by applying the principles we've discussed. While their specific stories may differ, they all share a common thread: the power of mindset and inspired action. Take, for instance, the entrepreneur who started with nothing but an idea and a burning desire to succeed. Despite numerous rejections and setbacks, they persevered, believing in their vision and taking consistent action. Today, they lead a thriving business and enjoy financial freedom. Or consider the single parent who struggled to make ends meet. By shifting their mindset from scarcity to abundance and taking proactive steps to improve their financial situation, they were able to create a life of stability and security for their family. These are just a few examples of the countless individuals who have overcome challenges, rewritten their money stories, and achieved financial success. Their stories serve as a reminder that no matter where you are on your financial journey, it's never too late to create the life you desire. The path to wealth is open to you. It begins with a simple choice: the choice to believe in yourself, to trust in the power of your mind, and to take inspired action. Start today. Begin by cultivating gratitude for the abundance that already exists in your life. Visualize your financial goals with clarity and conviction, and take small, consistent steps towards those goals. Keep in mind that every action, no matter how small, is a step towards the financial future you desire. Your wealth journey is unique. It's a personal odyssey of self-discovery, empowerment, and growth. Accept the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never lose sight of your dreams. The power to create the life you desire is within you. If this video has resonated with you, please show your support by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's continue this journey together.